So okay guys, without wasting any time, let us try to open this box. Now there is a particular seal given over here which says please do not accept the box if seal is broken, and right now I cannot see any broken sign, but let us try to break the seal first of all. Now the box itself is is having sturdy design, and the sticker itself is very stubborn, so it may take a while, so please be with me. So anyway, I am cutting it manually, and let us try to unwrap this particular box. Okay. So as you can see, there is a box which is having some basic manual and a clumsy silicone cover. Down there is our cell phone, which is blue color, just as I ordered, and after that there is a small partition which should have some sort of SIM ejection pin, but right now I can't find it. So there is a 50-watt charger available over here. There is a cable, and down there is our SIM ejection tool, and as you can see, that is pretty much it. So although it's a bit on a costlier side, they are right now not providing any hands-free or headphone or earbud or whatsoever, so please do not expect any more apart from the cell phone itself and cover, right? So that's pretty much it, and let us try to switch it on. Finally, after 2 to 4 times, finally able to switch this on, and as you can see, it says Realme, and you may notice the boot time, right? So as expected, it has started within acceptable time limit, right? So yeah, so I'm skipping all of it. Okay, skip. And finally, with the color OS 6, we have started our cell phone, right? So thank you so much guys. I will upload a short video on camera sample and overall performance, but as you can see, there are billions of videos available on this particular context, so you may find over there, right? So many thanks for watching, and bye bye.